Welcome to a study in a contrast. Today we explore the intersection of vintage, alloy and modern radiance. Notice how the golden leather catches the light, creating a silhouette that is both structured and fluid. This is the foundation of our story. We start with a bright, elegant look. I pair a metallic pencil skirt with a soft silk blouse. The gold detail on the sandal adds a strong and stylish touch. Every movement feels purposeful. This look shows the beauty of confident, professional style. Now we unveil a masterpiece of a French heritage, Cervin Capri Bicolour RHT stocking. The deep, radiant ruby hue is vintage inspired, shades that feel incredibly modern against the gold. Supporting such a delicate garment requires precision engineering. This satin belt features as a 12-clip design, ensuring the silhouette stays perfectly aligned through the very stride. This is a ritual of a slow fashion. What makes this stocking special is Bicolour RHT construction. The ruby reinforced design creates a classic contrast inspired by traditional mid-century hosiery. The sheer nylon fabric has a smooth, clean finish, highlight the color detail and the precise structure of a reinforcement. To support this type of delicate hosiery, the satin garter belt uses a 12-clip fastening system. The clip distributes the tension evenly, keeping the stocking secure and properly positioned during movement. As the atmosphere shifts, we enter a realm where elegance is no longer merely an aesthetic, but a profound dialect of self-expression. Observe how the ambient studio light dances across the golden leather, creating a luminous contrast against the deep, obsidian tips of the hosiery. For the women who have navigated the current of fashion and emerge with a mastery of her own silhouette, this ruby-tipped nylon serves as a bridge, a connection to a more refined era of sartorial excellence. This styling choice is intentional celebration of a pose and a quiet confidence that only comes with the time. We are not simply assembling an outfit, we are curating a legacy of taste. In this space, every line is deliberate, and every texture tells the story of a sophistication that transcends the fleet, the trend of the today. It's a tribute to timeless beauty of a woman who knows exactly who she is. Gold and ruby, a harmony that speaks of heritage. Many ask how they balance such a bold texture. The answer is the ground effect of a Bicolour reinforcement. It carries the weight of the executive presence while maintaining a soft, early sophistication. It is an investment in a timeless beauty. We conclude on the Italian porcelain, where the rhythm of the work reflects the clarity of design. True luxury doesn't shout, it moves with a grace. If you appreciate this world of premium craftsmanship, I invite you to explore my dedicated playlist for more styling journey. It was Marilyn, stay elegant, and I will see you in the next series.